Hey everybody, so we are going to do what I call motorcycle chicken. So I have one of my little chickens that you guys see in some of my videos. Oh no, one of his hands is broken. He won't be able to hold on. So this is the motorcycle. I don't know if you can see it. So we have a motorcycle. And if you wanted to put a beer can on there, you could. So we're going to set him down. See, and you put his little wing in there, but this little wing the other little wing's a little jacked up. I'll just say he's had a previous accident. Put his legs. Ugly sound, ugly sound. Sorry. So, it's not sitting right. Put his little legs. I think he's been drinking. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna get this wing in here. He's gotta hold on. It'll be a disaster. So I've already seasoned him all up. Maybe if I do both the wings short, we'll have better luck. Don't look at my nails. I painted them Saturday night, and by Sunday they were a hot mess. A little slickery. There. Now he'll probably get a DUI, but we're doing our best. I've never used the glasses before, but for video purposes, we'll zhuzh them up. I'm going to wash my hands, and then we will take him out to the grill. Okay, we have to hurry because the battery's dying. But the grill's hot. It's been scraped. And we're just going to put it on there and shut it. Uh-oh. It's too close. Shut it, and then periodically, about every 15 minutes for the first hour, it'll take about an hour to cook it, you'll just turn it a quarter and then it'll be done. So that's all I'm going to do. So here's a update on our bird. I just use this little tool and turn it around every now and then. It's about done. So I just thought I'd do a checkup on the bird. We're going to have macaroni and cheese and peas with it. Okay, here's our motorcycle chicken. Looks like his hair got blown back in the wind. Take off his sunglasses. Or her. And look how easy that was. It's easier than getting it out of a beer can. So, let me get my peas. Excuse me, baby rats. Some leftover peas. I'm going to make a plate. So, it's so easy, you guys, to cook on, excuse me, your grill. And not have to worry about heating up the house when it's 103 degrees or 101, whatever it is today. That bone. Okay, watch this. Ha! Thought you were gonna win. Oh, hot. So very, very hot. You know, when I was a kid, I used to call this piece the nose. I always ask, can I have the nose? I probably told that story. And when I came to Oklahoma, we were at the grocery store and my aunt said, oh look, they have a whole package of chicken butts. Actually, I think it was turkey. And I've not eaten one since. I didn't know it was the part that went over the fence last. And my parents were just fine with saying, of course you can have the nose. So, let's try our chicken. See how little those pieces are? But these are the best chickens. They taste like real chicken. Tender, juicy. You can see the juices on the plate. You running around. And the flavor from the grill. So these are really good if you inject them with like the Cajun butter seasoning or the garlic. Inject them, season the outside, the inside of the cavity, put it on I have these things too. You can use one of these, you can use your bump pan, whatever. Your beer can. I've used Dr. Pepper before. I like that flavor, and some teriyaki, and grill them that way. So give it a try. Beer can, well, in this case, motorcycle chicken. And here's our dinner plate. So that's what's for dinner tonight. Motorcycle chicken, macaroni and cheese, and peas. Easy peasy on a hot summer day. So you all stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.